This is a power bank and a charger for 18650 lithium-ion batteries. Now 18650 or any lithium-ion batteries are pretty much the future of energy, as one of my friends says. They hold a phenomenal amount of power for their size, and you can find them practically everywhere. They're in laptops, they're in drones, they're in electric skateboards, and even Teslas.
If gadget reviews, DIY projects, and life hacks are your thing, then consider subscribing to MiiBooth and turn on the bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of the action.
Welcome back to MiiBooth. Irfan here. Today's gadget comes courtesy of the xtar store on AliExpress, and this specific model, known as their PB2C, goes for $12 or 44 UAE dirhams. Now xtar is not a nobody when it comes to producing lithium-ion batteries or their chargers. They have a pretty comprehensive collection on their store. Now this specific model caught my attention because it is not just a charger for two 18650 batteries and all types of them, INR, ICR, doesn't matter. It is also a power bank powered by the same two batteries, and you can use it to charge your smartphones or any other gadgets. So all the basics aside, today I'm going to give you 5 reasons why this power bank is like no other. But first, unboxing.
Alright, so it comes in this simple packaging. Now remember when I said that xtar is not a nobody? Here's the proof. There's a little sticker here when you scratch will reveal an 18-digit number. Enter this 18-digit number on their website and it will show you whether the product you have is a real xtar or a fake. Now if you've got copycats, that means you've made a mark. The whole package consists of a charger, a USB-C cable, and an instruction manual in like a dozen languages. The charger is pretty small. Its dimensions are 11.1 centimeters by 5.1 centimeters by 2.43 centimeters, which is very small relatively. It has a nice solid grip, rounded ends, very decent build quality, overall good value for money. The 4 LEDs here show the battery charge level when you press the button on the side. Here we have the input USB-C port as well as the output port. Both are 5 volts and 2.1 amp current supply. The battery compartment is protected by the magnetic cover. It can fit two 18650 batteries. Now I'll continue from here with my 5 unique reasons why this charger/power bank is like no other. Number 1, when I say it charges 18650 batteries, I mean all of them, all types of them, doesn't matter which one, it supports all. For example, I have 2 different 18650 lithium-ion cells here, both from xtar. One is an ICR cobalt based, 2600 mAh protected, and you know that because the negative terminal is golden on protected cells. ICR has more recharge cycles under its belt, which makes it better for durability. One good use for it will be doorbells, for example, where you don't need a high current discharge and at the same time you don't need daily or weekly charging. The other is INR, manganese and nickel based. This one is also 2600 mAh but unprotected. See, the negative terminal here is gray. Unprotected batteries don't have a protection circuit like its counterpart to protect it from over discharge, heating, etc. And INR compared to ICR is just a different chemistry. INR are high discharge batteries used in stuff like electric skateboards, for example. This one has a max discharge capacity of 35 amps impulse discharge and 25 amps constant discharge. Second reason is 0-volt activation function. Now when you haven't used your lithium-ion batteries for a long time, they tend to discharge beyond a certain level and ordinary chargers cannot bring them back to life. You have to do some tricks manually, which a friend of mine tried to explain to me, but it went all over my head. However, this charger can bring dead batteries back from the grave with no extra effort. Reason number 3, it uses a 3-stage charging technique to charge the 18650s. It's called TC, CC and CV, which means it starts by a trickle current to charge the batteries to a certain level, after which it supplies a constant charge until it is almost full, and then it supplies a constant voltage to finish it off. This way the battery charges in the most optimum way without hurting the cell and extending its battery life. Imagine it like filling a glass of Coke from the Hardy's fountain. If you try to do it in one go, more than half of the glass will just be bubbles. So the right way will be to trickle down a little bit until there is a small level of soda established. Then let a constant stream to fill it almost until the top. And then you let the bubbles dissipate and finally fill it little by little until it is completely full to the brim. Now this is what this charger is doing to the 18650 batteries. Reason number 4, protection. Reverse polarity, short circuit, overcharge and overheat protection. If you know about lithium-ion batteries, then you know what kind of explosive energy they hold. If it gets set off, it can be very dangerous. Just search on YouTube for exploding 18650 batteries. So this charger has all sorts of protection protocols to avoid that. And finally, reason number 5, even if there is a mishap and one of the batteries catches fire, the charger will not. It is made of a fire retardant material. It sort of warps when exposed to direct flame, but it doesn't catch on fire. So these are the 5 reasons that make this charger like no other. But how does it actually work as a power bank? Now with these two 2600 mAh batteries inside, I tried to charge them. It took about 3 hours to charge them from 0 to 100. And then the batteries were able to charge my iPhone 10 from 0 to 100 in about 2 hours and 10 minutes. And there was still enough juice to charge it once again from 0 to 25%. I have chargers claiming 10,000 milliamp hours, which won't even do a 0 to 50% in one go, and this guy did 125% on 50 to 100 milliamp hours. Not bad. Well, that's pretty much it for this nifty little gadget. It's small, it's lightweight, it has a solid build, it is a charger and a power bank. I've been using it for more than a month now without a decline in performance, so I'm gonna say it's durable too. At a price of $12, it is a bargain in my opinion. They've also got other different types of chargers for 18650s, 21700s, and more. I'll leave a link to their store in the description box below in case you want to check it out. That's it for now, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button below and share the video with your friends and family. While you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to MiiBooth for more gadget reviews, DIYs, and life hacks. You can also follow me on Instagram and other social media. All the links are in the description box below. Click on the thumbnails to watch my other videos or check out my YouTube channel for more. And as always, thanks for watching.